Our dear students, today we are solving the ISI M Math PMA 2024 paper. We're the first one to provide you on internet. So let's get started. So W is a subspace or four-dimensional real plane spanned by the vectors 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. X is a subspace of R4 defined as, this is the solution of the student who have tried it. Okay, this is the thing, x, y is this, y is this. So the dimension of x. So identify the basis of W. Let it be this as a V1 and this as a V2. Okay, and check the linear dependence. A equal to 1 2 3 4 4 3 2 1. So that's the result in the system of the equation. A plus 4b equal to 0, 2a plus 3b equal to 0, 3a plus 2b equal to 0, and 4a plus b equal to 0. So let's just do a little bit of substitution. So a equal to minus 4b, 4a plus b equal to 0, so minus 16b, so minus 15b equal to 0, b equal to 0, a equal to 0. So the only solution of v1 v2 is linearly independent. Now the dimension of w, since v1 v2 linearly independent है तो dimension of w हो गया 2. Okay, so orthogonal component dimension of x is dim x dim r4 minus dim w, so 4 minus 2 equal to 2. So the dimension of x is 2, so option number B is the correct answer.